Iki wes lho. Katanya orientation, complication resolution kan, Miss?
Ya, betul. Kamu sudah pernah belajar ini ya?
Dulu sih tulisannya
SMP.
SMP.
Mari kita mulai lagi ya.
Ya.
Orientation, this part is located at the beginning of the narrative text as an introduction to explain the place, time, atmosphere, background, and introduction of the character in the story. And number 2 is complication. Complication. This part is the beginning of the problem or event that occur in the story. And number 3 is resolution. This part marks the closure of the story or present a solution to the conflict that occurs. And next is narrative text is divided into several types. Is number fairy tales. Fairy tales are stories that usually have characters created from imagination and are unreal, such as fairies, giants, goblins, and usually involve magic. A famous example of a fantasy fairy tale is Cinderella. Do you know Cinderella?
Yes, I know.
Okay. This is example of fairy tale. Ini ya, Cinderella.
Yes, Miss.
And next is number 2, legend. Legend usually tell the story of the origin of a place, but the truth of it is that it's still questionable, and these stories become the belief of the local people. An example is the legend of Black Topper. Kalian tahu Black Topper?
Yes.
Di mana?
Di mana ya? Di Papua.
Sumatera.
Di Kalimantan. Itu dong. Di Kalilubu.
Kalau yang berawal adalah mereka ya, bukan Black Topper. This is example of legend.
Yes.
Yes. Next, number 3 is fable. Fable are stories with characters that are animal behaving like humans. This type of narrative text usually contains many moral messages. A famous example of fable is the question si kecil. Si kecil pada zaman dahulu.
Yes, I know.
This example of fable. Kalian tahu di film zaman dahulu kan ada si kecil itu.
Yes, I
Itu
know.
adalah salah satu dari contoh fable.
Fable.
Number 4 is myth. Myths are not much different from legend, but myths are considered as part of what people are related to the present. An example is the story of Aji Saka.
Aji Saka.
Aji Pratama ya.
Yes.
This is example for Aji
bisa nih. Aku bangga. Tinggal belum merah guys. Itu minggu.
Nanti ditonton ya.
Oh yes, ya.
Kalian tahu kisah-kisah dari semua ini semuanya. Oke. And next is number 6, romance.
Romance. Yes.
Romance and romance stories are a type of narrative text that focus on the love proposition of a couple. A famous example of a romance story is Romeo and Juliet. Do you know Romeo and Juliet? Tahu? Iya, contohnya ini. Contohnya ini. Nanti kalau ingin tahu lebih mendalamnya nanti tonton di YouTube di rumah. Tapi vitamin ya. And next number Mysteries or mystery story are a type of narrative text that tells about the solving of a mysterious puzzle that will be solved throughout the story. Example is Si Manis Sebatang Ancol.
Tidak tahu.
Yes,
I know. Before that, no.
Setan.
I got trainer.
Noni Belanda. Reco.
What the yang itu. Yang meninggal itu.
Apakah kalian sudah paham?
Sudah paham.
Sudah paham?
Yes.
Oke, kita make up group ya.
Yes.
Nggak usah gitu. Ini Mas yang satu ini mau gabung di sini atau mau sendiri aja?
Nanti gabung nih.
Kasihan
Sini Pak Lul. Ya.
Ini nggak ada cowoknya, ini ada cowoknya.
Udah sini nih.
Coba nanti itu ya.
Ya. Aku kan sekarang nggak peduli.
Ya.
Gini ya.
Nanti read the example of narrative text and pick the structure of narrative text, orientation, communication, and transformation. Oke?
Oke. Mana satunya?
Kita disuruh buat lesson plan
Sudah,
yang
Mas.
jadi contoh sendiri.
Gampang.
Jadi kita nggak cuma langsung masuk
Ini nanti kan ada kalau yang gimana?
Yo belum tak ganti.
Terus kalian cari strukturnya ya. Struktur
Oh.
dari narrative text-nya.
Ya, Miss. Ya.
Aduh, aku belum ngirim.
Mas yang satu sudah.
Sudah. Sama
Mas yang
lagi.
satu.
Ini sudah.
Sudah.
Saya ingin membacakan salah satu dari perwakilan.
Kelompok saya.
magical powers. One day he was asked to go around the village and ask for food. However, many villagers treat him badly and refused to help him.
Complication. After being rejected by many people, Baru Judin arrived at a party in the village. He was hungry and asked for some food, but the villagers insulted him and chased him. Before leaving, Baru Judin challenged the villagers to pull out a stick from wood. The villagers accepted. When he pulled the stick out, water suddenly came out from the mouth. Resolution. As the water became bigger and flooded the entire village, the villagers ran away in fear. But it was too late. The flood alert like opening. Silent people believe that the light is a reminder to always be kind and helpful to others.
Loh, karena aku kok sama ini. Enggak, ternyata enggak sama.
Bertiga berdua bersatu. Bertiga berdua bersatu. Kita bercerai itu. Ipek. Let's go. Bercerai. Ipek dulu.
Udah ya.
Strukturnya yang pertama orientation. Belle was a beautiful and intelligent girl who lived in a small village with her father. She loved reading books and dreamed of having adventure. One day, her father got lost in a forest and accidentally entered a mysterious castle of Number two is the structure is complication. The beast became angry because Belle's father entered his castle without permission. To help her father, Belle